some terminologies here. We have discussed what you mean by circuit. A circuit is the closed loop conducting path in which electric current flows. We can see here it is a circuit here where we do find a closed path for the flow of the current. We have discussed the definition of a circuit. Next important definition is path. A single line of connecting elements or source. A path is what? A single line of connecting elements or the sources. How many paths you can observe here? How many paths you can observe? Assume that it is a point A, point B, C, D, E, F, G, H. What is path? It is a single line of connecting elements or the sources. Can we call them all as the sources and elements? So, how many passive elements are available in the network? Can you text me your answer? How many passive elements are available in this circuit? 8 is the right answer because R1, R2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All are resistors. Resistors are considered as a passive elements. Good. Then how many active elements are available in this network? How many active elements are available in this network? 2. 2 is the right answer. Because one voltage source, a second voltage source. These two are called as an active elements or active sources because they can have an ability to deliver the power to the other elements of the circuit. They are called as the passive elements because they can absorb the delivered power by the active elements, and they do store the energy either in the form of magnetic field or in electric field, or else that stored energy can be dissipated in the form of heat. Okay, I hope you have understood what you mean by path here. A, C, D, E, F, G, H, B, back to A. It is one line. It is one path where all elements or sources are connected. And also A, C, H, B. It is also one path where elements and sources are connected. And also C, D, G, H. C, D, G, H is also one path, or else D, E, F, G, back to D is a one more path, and so on. What do you mean by node? It is important here. The node is a junction, connection, or terminal within a circuit where two or more circuit elements are connected or joined together, leaving a connection point between two or more branches. A node is indicated by a dot. A simple definition: a node is a junction or a connection where two or more electrical elements are connected. Simple. What is node here? It is a point. It is a point where two are, it is a point, it is a point where two or more elements are connected. Elements are connected. If that is the point, means then we can call that point as a node, and always that node is always represented with a dot. Then based on this definition, then can you tell me how many nodes are available in this circuit? What is your answer? How many nodes are available in this circuit? What is node? It is a point where two or more elements are connected. Okay. First node is this the point where two elements are connected? It is an element 1 and R1 is an element 1. So these two are connected at this point, so that it is first node. Then I can consider this as one more node because there are three elements are connected. 1, R1, R2 and R3. All right. Then it is second node. Third node is, this is the node where three elements are connected, 1, R3, R4 and R5. Then can you consider this as one more node? Because two elements are connected, R5 and R6. That is the definition of node here. Minimum 2 and maximum can be anything. Minimum 2 or more. So that I do consider this as a point. I do consider this as a point where two elements are connected. So that is number 4. Then can you consider this as one more node? Because R6 and R7 are connected. This is fifth. Then can you consider this as one more node where R7, R4 and R8 are connected? It is 6. Now it is, these two are one and the same. Only thing is wire is extra. This node, this node, this node, they are one and the same from this point to this point and this point. In this area, you can consider the any point. You can, from this area, a point can be anything, then that will be same. So that all together we can say it as node number 7. Now it is also one more node because these two are connected. The answer is 8. There are 8 nodes are available in the circuit. Good. So have you understood what you mean by node? Where two or more elements are connected. It's a simple answer. It is a junction or it is a point where two or more elements are connected. It is a point, it is a junction, it is a terminal in the circuit where two or more elements are connected. That is called as a node here. All right. We see the next definition, branch. A branch is a single or group of components such as registers or sources which are connected between two nodes. I repeat, a branch is a single or group of components such as registers or resources which are connected between the two nodes. Okay. So based on this definition, then can you tell me how many branches are connected? How many branches are connected in a circuit? What is branch? It is an element connected in between the nodes. Simple definition. It is an element connected in between the nodes. Based on that definition, then can you tell me how many branches are available in a given network or given? Number 10. Number 10. 10 is the right answer. Because there are 8 registers plus voltage 1 and voltage 2. In other words, a branch equals to a number of elements in simple definition. Number of elements which are available in the circuit are nothing but a number of branches in simple word. Okay. Now I do draw the one more diagram here. How many nodes are available in this circuit? How many nodes are available in this diagram? Can you tell me the answer? How? Answer is 2. Answer is 2. So from here and here, you can consider any point that will be the same node here. Only the thing is wires are extra here. You can consider the point at this point at this node. You can consider any point. They are one another same here. Only wire is extra. Similarly, from this area, in this area, you can consider the any point. You can consider any point. That point is same. So that only 2 nodes are there. Then how many branches are there? Uh, how many branches are there? 3 branch. Good. Anybody want to say that there is only one branch? Is there any answer as 1? Anybody want to say a number of branches in this circuit is 1? Anybody thought of that answer? No one? It can also be 1 because you can see the definition. It is a single or group of component. I do group all R1, R2, R3 and I do call them as a 1. So one group are 3 branches. Both are same. All right. I hope you have understood circuit, path, node and a branch. Okay. Mention of a circuit, path, node and a branch. A node is a dot or a point or a junction where 2 or more elements are connected. Branch, it is a single or a group of components. They are connected in between nodes. These two definitions are discussed with proper examples. Now we do see what you mean by a loop. I do read the definition here. A loop is let me use a ledger. A loop is a simple closed path in a circuit in which no circuit element or node is encountered more than once. I repeat here, it is a path. It is a closed path in a circuit in which no circuit element or node repeated more than once, encountered more than once. If that is the case, means that is called as a loop here. Consider one diagram is used here. It is a circuit in which we have identified one loop from, consider A, B, C, D, E. I do move from point A, B, C, D, E back to the point A. I can call this path as a loop because it is obeying no circuit element is repeated and no node is repeated except node A. So it is a starting node and I can say it as an end node. Except only one node, there should not be any node repeated, and also none of the circuit's elements are repeated. If that is the case, means we can call that as a loop here. Other than this, F, G, F and G. Okay, I do take a path from F, A, E, G and back to F. Other than the first node, F, none of the nodes are repeated. Now, none of the elements are repeated. If that is the case, means we can call that as a loop. Similarly, H I J. We can consider one more, H F G J I back to H, except the first node. None of the nodes are repeated. None of the elements are repeated. So that we can call that as also a loop here. Hopefully you have understood the meaning of loop. It is a closed path. It is a closed path in which none of the nodes are repeated, none of the elements are repeated. None of the nodes are repeated except the first node. If that is the case, means we can call that as a loop. Now, what do you mean by mesh? A mesh is a single closed loop series path that does not contain any other paths. That is, there are no loops inside the mesh. Okay, what is the difference between loop and mesh? I will say you. Okay, now I will write here H, F, A, B, C, D, E, G, J, I, H as a loop. Means from here, is this the definition of loop? Yes, it is the definition of a loop, but it is not a mesh. It is not a mesh. The reason is inside this loop, we can find three more loops here. Loop number one, loop number two, loop number three. It can be a loop, but not a mesh. What is mesh? It is a loop inside which there should not be any other loops. For example, consider A B C D E A B C D E A. It is a loop and also the mesh. It is a loop as well as a mesh. The reason is we don't find any other loops inside this loop. That's why it is a loop as well as a mesh. And also F A E G F, it is a loop as well as a mesh. And also H F G J I back to H, it is a loop as well as a mesh. The conclusion is a mesh can be loop. All mesh can be a loop, but all loops can't be a mesh. The reason is we have considered this loop, but it cannot be mesh. The reason is inside this loop there are three more loops. Okay. Node. It is a junction where two or more elements are connected. It is simple definition. It is a point, it is a junction, it is a dot at which two or more elements are connected. For example, consider F as a node here. It is considered as a node because R1, R2, R3 are connected. I is a node here. I is a node here because a voltage number 1, voltage number 2 are connected. E is a node here because R4, R8 and R7 are connected, and so on. Understood? Okay, good. We go ahead. In a network or a circuit, number of loops, nodes and branches has to satisfy the following fundamental relationship. That relationship is number of branches equal to number of loops plus number of nodes minus 1. In this circuit, how many branches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now a number of nodes: node 1, node 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of nodes are 8. Number of loops: loop 1, loop 2, loop 3. Okay. apply the formula. Number of branches equals to number of loops plus number of nodes minus 1. 10 equals to loops are here 3, nodes are here 8 minus 1. LHS equals to RHS. In this case, consider loops in the sense here mesh. There should not be any other loop inside the loop. All right. Next, verify the same for this network. Verify this formula for this network. Number of branches. How many branches are there in this network? Send your answer. Number of nodes. Number of nodes. 3 nodes.
3.
Answer is right. There are 3 nodes. Node number 2, node number 3. From here, in this area, in this complete area, there is only one node. From here to here, there is only one node. From here to here, there is only one node. So number of nodes are 3. Now number of loops. Number of loops. Number of loops in this network or circuit. Okay. Consider loop as a mesh here. Do not get confused. In this formula, a number of loops are taken. A loop is any closed path where other than the first node, none of the nodes should be repeated. Here, a loop means mesh should be considered. Mesh is the loop in which none of the loops are available inside it. If there are 3 loops, then how many loops meshes are there? Obviously, Rohit Kamble, there are 3 loops but 2 meshes. For this formula, mesh should be considered, not a loop. How many meshes are available in this network? There are 2. This is 1 and this. Okay, verify this. So number of branches are 4, loops are 2, nodes are 3 minus 1. LHS equals to RHS. We can consider any network. This formula is holds good. Now verify this formula for this network. Verify the formula for this network. First, number of branches. Number of branches. Branch equals to 4. Right answer.
4.
Number of nodes.
Node.
4 nodes. Yes, it is already there in the figure itself. It is node number 1, 2, 3, or 4. Now, number of loops.
Loop.
Yes,
1 loop.
It is only 1. Here, loop equals to mesh equals to 1 only. Now verify number of branches equal to number of loops, number of nodes minus 1. Here LHS equals to RHS. Hopefully you have understood it. Verify number of branches. Number of branches in this circuit. Your answer should be sent in a chat box. For this circuit, How many branches are there? 1,
1,
2, 3, 4,
2,
5. 5 is the right answer. Number of loops. Number of
1,
loops.
2, 3,
Loop
4.
is a closed path in which,
Yes.
other than the starting node, none of the nodes are repeated. We want number of loops in this circuit. Answer is 3. Number of loops are equals to 3. Here, the first closed path, second closed path, third closed path. L1, L2, L3. Now, a number of nodes. I have given name as a node just to confuse you people. It is one node. All together, it can be considered as a single node. 1, 2, all together, it can be considered as a single. What is the answer? Number of nodes in this circuit. These namings are given just to confuse you people. But the right answer is 3. All right. Now, number of branches. Number of branches is 5 equals to number of loops plus number of nodes minus 1. Here LHS equals to RHS. All right. Why we should consider as 3 nodes? Okay. From here and here, only wires are extra, so that there is only one node. All right. Consider all these area, no branch is available. Instead, dots are available. So I can increase the dots even 3, 4, 5. If branch is not available inside the node, in between the node, then all those nodes can be considered as a single node. From this point, from here, from here, from here, from here, no elements are available. You can take any dots in between. All dots can be a single dot here. So that all these can be considered as a second node. Same thing applies here. From this point, means in this complete area, n number of dots can be considered, but they can be treated as a single nodes. Not only 3, not only 4, and various dots can be considered, but because of no elements are available in between, so that all these dots can be considered as a single dot. So that there are 3.